What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. On this second post today, I'll be talking about FLOWUSDT, and see what's going on in this market. Before diving into Flow, I will be doing a recap on Bitcoin, the overall market indicators such as Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, total altcoin market cap, and see what is going on in those indicators because I do think the importance of those indicators precede any particular altcoins, especially Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, I do think that will affect a lot of the altcoins negatively, so I would not ignore Bitcoin. Now, before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I should be coming out with more regular posts, about 2 to 3 posts a day on most days. If this bull market continues. Now, I will also be sharing with you why I think the bull market continuing is likely. Now, please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and none of this should be taken as financial advice. I am only sharing with you guys my speculation and opinions on this market. You should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. It is extremely risky and volatile in here, so be responsible for your own money. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have crypto.com or Webull accounts, you guys can use any of my affiliate links in the video description section below if you guys are in the US. Now, if you guys do sign up with them, they should still be giving away sign up bonuses, so check it out. And I should also be getting a referral bonus if you guys sign up using my affiliate link below, so I'll truly appreciate that, and that directly supports the channel. Now let's go ahead and see what exactly is going on in this market first. Bitcoin here, we are currently at about 63.6 now as we're speaking. Very quick update here. So for Bitcoin, now I don't have any Bitcoin myself, but I do use it as a main indicator, and I firmly believe that it is a main indicator of the markets, because if Bitcoin actually does go up, I do think that brings new money into the market. However, if Bitcoin goes down, that most likely should negatively affect the altcoins as well. So I would not look into any altcoins without actually taking a look into Bitcoin first. Now, Bitcoin here on this daily time frame, if we actually zoom all the way out here, we do see a cup and handle pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern. However, since price action did come up to about 67K here, there was this head and shoulders pattern that was forming, right? And looks like it actually has broken down from that head and shoulders pattern, which is generally a bearish pattern. Since that breakdown, however, price action didn't go parabolic down, so it was running within a falling wedge pattern, which is generally bullish. Looks like the price action has broken out of that pattern as of October 29th. However, price action did retest that upward trend line here, as you guys can see with these 3 red candles. So very, was not really exactly sure if that was a legitimate breakout, but right now we are seeing an engulfing daily candle here, taking us even above that previous shoulder level, right? Slightly, but we do get a higher wick here. So in my opinion here, this is, if I was to more safely assume that the price action is bouncing back, that does look like it is the case, especially now we have about a little over 4 hours left until this daily candle close. So right now it does, to me, looks like the market is bouncing back, right? And also want to note that this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a reversal of, well, not a reversal, but a generally bullish pattern, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Immediate key support here, the daily 21 SMA. If price action does reverse and break that key support, they're not going to be looking good. So as long as the price action stays above this daily support, that is still good to me for now, especially with this engulfing candle. Let's go over to Bitcoin dominance here, where I did point out a falling wedge pattern where price action has been running within, right? Bitcoin dominance. since it has hit about 48% almost, has been crashing below some of these daily moving averages, the daily 21 SMA, the daily 200 SMA, and recently it has closed below the weekly 21 SMA. So quite a bit of good indicators there in terms of probability that this Bitcoin dominance may continue downwards. That's what I'm keeping an eye out on. Now, of course, one last thing here is the falling wedge pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern. So I am looking for this price action to actually break this bottom trend line here. That would be even more of a indicator that things could be looking optimistic for the altcoins, but that is given that Bitcoin does not dump. If Bitcoin dumps, I think that's not gonna be a good sign, right? Let's go ahead and go to Ethereum. Now, I always say that Ethereum is as I've been observing, is a leading indicator of the total altcoin market chart, which is total 3. I would point out in 1 second here, but price action here on Ethereum did break out of a cup and handle pattern here, and this is the 3rd week in a row that price action has actually has weekly candles above this neckline here, right, and has broken the previous resistance at about 4,400. If we actually do take a look into a total altcoin market chart here, total 3, we have a very similar pattern, and this chart excludes Ethereum, right? So now we're finally seeing a weekly candle above this neckline. I would just say it's about 1 trillion to be exact, right? Even though that's not really touching all of the candles here, but I'm just gonna say it's 1 trillion to be exact as the resistance, even though the neckline where it connects most candles is about 985 billion, but I'll say 1 trillion just to be exact. But still, this is the highest wick that I have seen. According to this chart here, it has went up to as far up as about 1.03 trillion before getting rejected. But something to note, this is the highest weekly candle I think ever, right? Ever. So, and of course, since this cup and handle pattern as well. So that is noteworthy, and this is why I think the likelihood of this bull run is still likely because of the breakout of this pattern, and of course because of Ethereum and Bitcoin there. Now let's go right ahead and go into FLOWUSDT. So after seeing all the market indicators there, and if you guys have bared with me for this far, then this is the particular setup that I'm seeing on Flow USDT. I don't have any Flow USDT or USD. I don't have any Flow token at all. I'm open to trading this, comparing this setup with other altcoin setups, right? But I don't have any Flow right now. Now on this weekly time frame here, I do see. Let's go over to the daily time frame. Actually, we don't really have monthly or weekly data here on the RSI, especially. Even on the 3-day time frame here, I do see a falling wedge pattern, and of course, falling wedge patterns you guys already know from the previous minutes I've spoke on it, right? And what type of pattern this is. Now, it is generally a bullish pattern, so price action, if the price action was to break out at the end of this trend line here, as I have it here, just hypothetically, the measure move would be about just right above $24. Now, measure moves are theoretical moves only. The actual move could be more or less, and this is based on the end of my trend line here, right? If it breaks up sooner, then it could be higher. If it breaks out later, it could be lower, assuming that this falling wedge pattern stays bullish. Price action does not break down from this generally bullish pattern here. Now, that is my very short update on Flow and, of course, the entire market, including Bitcoin and quite a bit of the other altcoins. If you guys do want to see more updates on this token itself, please do give it a thumbs up. That will let me know that you guys want to see more of this content. I will do more content. I will do more updates on coins where I do see that there are more views on the video. So let me know, and I will see you guys next time.